This news is brought to you by Hotel CS2, where quality rules.
Clashes erupted between protesters and security forces in Hyderpora area of Pulwama in South Kashmir and Sopore town of North Kashmir after Friday prayers. Reports said that youth took to streets after Friday prayers and staged protests against the use of force during yesterday's clashes in Pulwama. In Sopore, youth took to streets after Friday prayers to stage protests, which was confronted by the forces deployed, triggering clashes. Reports said that the forces resorted to tear gas shelling to disperse the protesters who were throwing stones on them. In Pulwama, reports said that the one protester was hit by pellet while 5 protesters were detained during the clashes. Meanwhile, a protest rally was carried out by a large number of people in Hyderpora area of Srinagar amid pro-freedom slogans after Friday prayers. The protesters carrying Hurriyat chairman Sayyid Ali Shah Gilani's placards were also chanting pro-Hizb slogans. However, they dispersed later peacefully. Kashmir Press Service, Srinagar.
हमें दुनिया को पैगाम पहुंचाना चाहते हैं। अगर आप एक गिलानी को, इसकी आवाज को दबाना चाहते हो, लेकिन याद रखना दुनिया वालों, भारत भी सुन ले पैगाम। आपका बच्चा बच्चा गिलानी हो गया है तैयार।
This news is brought to you by Hotel CS2, where quality rules. Contact Hotel CS2, Salwar Bagh, Srinagar, Kashmir. Phone number 0194246850, 24685001. Reservation at Hotel CS2. Log on www.hotelcs2.com.